Hello there, this is Ben from UMPC Portal, and I want to give you a quick video demo of the instant mode of the VAIO P. The instant mode is a kind of sub-OS that runs before you boot into Windows and gives you access to simple things like web browsing or media interaction. I'm going to do a quick test to see how quickly this thing boots up. It's launched with a hardware button just to the right of the mouse keys, and I will leave this right here on screen so you can see how long it takes. The screen's on. Got a boot logo. There's the background. And bam, just about 20 seconds gets you into the sub-OS called Instant Mode, which will allow you to do some basic computing. So here we have the main part of the Instant Mode, and this is called the X-Cross Media Bar. The X-Cross Media Bar is an interface that is used on the PS3 and the PSP, and a couple other places by Sony actually. I really like it. It's great for navigation because you've got your main categories essentially bound to the left and right arrow keys as you move horizontally, and then going up and down in each category gets you to the lower areas of each category. And no matter where you are on the list, you can still hit left or right to move around the major categories. So it's quick and efficient navigation. It's simple. So you have your major categories here. You've got photos, music, and videos. I don't have that configured right now to pull or to check the hard drive for where those are located, but you can configure those in the settings. Big thing I want to take a look at is the internet section of the instant mode, which gives us a Mozilla-based browser, Skype, and Pigeon for instant messaging. Let's take a look at the browser. This will take a few seconds to load here, although subsequent times as you load it, it's a lot faster since it's already up in the RAM. So here's the browser part of the instant mode. As I said, it's Mozilla based, but unfortunately this one doesn't actually have support for add-ons like you're probably used to. Probably something to do with the fact that it's running lower in the BIOS without an operating system backing it up. So unfortunately I'm not going to be able to load up your favorite add-ons, but there is functionality actually to import bookmarks from Internet Explorer and the Windows side into this, and then actually export things that you've bookmarked in here back into Windows. Here we have UMPC Portal loaded up. Scrolling works fine once the page is fully loaded, but it is a little bit choppy when it's loading and not very responsive. Flash is built right in. I've got a little video here just to test that. And actually, as I'm watching this video being recorded into my computer, I can see that it may look a little choppy, but what I'm seeing on the computer itself is just, it seems like full frame rate playback, so it's pretty good. I've tried HD playback through YouTube. Flash HD does not work very well. It's not really, skips a little bit too much to be really watchable. But I'll try to see if I can get some HD playback in the actual video part back in the X-Cross Media Bar. So yeah, browser's pretty good. If you're somebody who works pretty exclusively in the browser, you'd be pretty happy to get yourself right into this instant mode in 20 seconds, get connected to a wireless network, and you'd be online and ready to work. So let's take it back to the X-Cross Media Bar and check out Skype, which I've already set up with my username and account, and just watch how quick it gets on. I'm already online right there. 2 or 3 seconds takes to launch right out of there and into Skype, which is really nice for anybody who's into VoIP. So you can see right here, this is the buddy list, and when you're making a call, this half of the screen will be taken up with the conversation window or the video chat or whatever you're doing with it. Loads really fast, seems to be full-featured Skype, which is good. And real quick, we'll take a look at Pigeon, which is the instant messenger. I haven't yet set up any accounts, but I've used Pigeon before. Supports multiple clients. Probably if you use a client, it's going to be supported on here. They've got a long list of supported clients, and again, I would imagine that this is the buddy list, and you'll have your conversations over in this space once you launch them. So that's pretty much it for the X-Cross Media Bar. You can use it for simple computing tasks, and when you're done, launch yourself into Windows.